If you missed Bitcoin at 20K, don't miss this one. A major shift is coming in the US stock market, and smart traders are already positioning themselves. Trading in 2025 is no longer a gamble. It's a calculated game influenced by market shifts and technological advancements. The financial world is buzzing as traders realign their strategies to adapt to new trends. The Federal Reserve's signals hinting at rate cuts and a cooling inflation rate are fostering optimism. Wall Street is reacting positively, with the SP 500 and Nasdaq entering rally mode. Traders are aware that this demand for growth is not just about the tech giants like Apple or Amazon. There is something bigger underway. The spotlight shines brightly on artificial intelligence stocks. Nvidia and Microsoft are on a steady rise as the market begins to favor innovators willing to lead the technological charge. Yet savvy traders are not just putting their money on well-established names. They are digging deeper, uncovering undervalued stocks like Palantir. The winds of the market are shifting towards companies that are driving future innovations in AI, and the savvy ones are ensuring they don't get left behind. The game is changing as traders look beyond traditional strategies. Small-cap stocks and lesser-known players in the AI and automation field are catching their eye. Traders are watching unusual spikes in volume for stocks such as BigBear.ai and SoundHound AI. Of course, the crypto landscape cannot be ignored. Altcoins like Fetch, high in RNDR are stealing the thunder, presenting lucrative opportunities with their phenomenal rises of over 100% in mere months. This bold shift suggests that 2025 may very well be the year of altcoin season, calling for even more diligence from traders. The urgency to move forward is palpable. As the opportunities blossom, the call to action is simple. Be prepared. Embrace the tools at your disposal. Set alerts on your trading apps. Conduct thorough research and be vigilant for breakout patterns. Volume indicators are your friends. They can lead you to uncover what might be your best move yet. Armed with knowledge and a quick response, traders hold the reins of their financial future. In this exhilarating trading environment, timing is everything. Following the rhythms of the market can lead to opportunities that make headlines. Join the ranks of smart traders who are not just observing but actively engaging with the market landscape. The next big move is out there, waiting for those prepared to take it. So stay informed, continually adjust your strategy, and capitalize on the inevitable shifts that will shape the economy. Don't wait. Success comes to those who seize the moment. Don't sit on the sidelines. Do your research, set your alerts, and trade smart. This could be the breakout moment of 2025. Follow for real-time market moves. Let's grow together.